Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you why x-axis stuck in this position and why the z-axis cannot move up. It may happen because of the two reasons. One reason is when the auto home process is going on, the x-axis, this tool head, when it's close to this x-axis sensor, the tool head sensor is not raised up, it just remains the same. So for this problem you can watch the video and make some disposition of this sensor, and the sound will be like this when it reaches to this sensor, beep beep, like this. So if you solve this problem, or if you don't have this problem, after that the z-axis is not raised up during the auto home process, we can solve this problem in two ways. One is removing the upper cap of the z-axis, and another one is loosen the screws of the bottom of the z-axis. So first we will try the upper cap, try to remove this one, and then we will rotate this one with a screwdriver and raise it around 5 centimeter, and after that we will place it and we will perform the auto home again and see is that auto homing perfectly or not. If you solve this problem, it's okay, and if you don't solve this problem in this way, we will do the next one. We will loosen these 4 screws, 1 2 3 4, these 4 screws like this, a bit, not too much, just loosen a bit. And then we will move this one with our hand and leave it like this, and then we will do the auto home again, and I hope you will solve your problem. Thank you for watching.